Recording.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah. You talk, I couldn't hear.
Yeah.
Do I cut out on you?
No.
Because sometimes when you're talking, it seems like it's cutting out, or I can't hear all the words. I don't know if you're moving your head. Let's play with it today. I don't know.
Well, that's what we're going to try to do. It should be there. The only time it cuts out is like if you had the radio on or if you mess around with the button.
Yeah.
The rest of the time, it should just be regular talking.
Okay.
Oh, the heat's getting hot now.
Sure is.
Yeah. Like I said, I don't really care if I stop at a leather shop or not, so you make up your mind if you want to stop or not.
I don't really care.
So that's a no? You don't really care to stop?
I don't. Whatever you want to do. If you want to stop, stop. I don't really care if I stop or not.
Well, I'm just worried about you having something to eat.
Oh, I'm fine right now.
Okay, when you get out there, you tell me whether or not, because
Seems
that's...
like when I get on the bike, I just not like starving.
Okay. We were up in Pittsburgh yesterday. One of those guys begging.
Yeah.
Car on the side of us gave her $40.
Jeez. Everybody's tired. I just don't know why they can't go get a job.
That's what I say too. But JR was saying one of his friends' wives down there can't get a job. And it's because she got a college education. It has to be a special job. She has a disability and she has to work around it and this and that and everything else.
Oh, no wonder.
Yeah.
Too picky. That's probably what these people are too.
If you really want to work, you can work.
Yep.
That could be like Dylan. You know, it had to be a $20 plus an hour job.
Yep.
Or you didn't want it.
He was lucky he got one. So, Todd still... Oh, I shouldn't say this. Never mind.
What's that?
Nothing. Did you see her sunglasses?
Yeah, big one. Big one?
Yeah.
drowning the voices out, cause I believe that you and I can find some common ground. See, maybe I'm not like you, but I walk a mile in your shoes. Means I might see the world the way you do. Just take some time, open our eyes, look and listen. You're gonna find we're more alike than we are different. All love, kindness, sweet revolution, but meditate, it's so ordinary.
Do you have your visor all the way down?
No,
I can hear wind. I was wondering why.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. I can hear it with you. I think it's a radio that makes that crackle.